How can be no more when they can make that kind of different color?
이렇게 컴파니요.
Yeah, somebody told me, you know, the fishing kind we buy, they don't make anymore because they don't know the mold. So I don't know what type. They can be no more. They can make the kind different color. You know what I use now?
What?
Because I started last year. Purple shine.
You know what? Plenty guys, bro.
Purple shine. And no, they copycat again. I just tell you, copycat them guys. You know, whatever I use, they do.
You guys heard that right there. Jorge Chris, he's the trendsetter, guys. I'm telling you. Bro, it's the originator of the purple shine right here.
Yeah, purple shine. So,
Purple, it's purple shine, okay?
man, you tell them that. When I go by and they run out, no more for Pogi Cristo. Because you tell over there and then they know now.
That's it.
So,
That's
by the way, I share, okay?
Yeah, you see that? He shares. Even though we're not going to put this on YouTube.
Yeah,
No.
yeah, okay.